If you're considering a high-end Android tablet, the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 lineup might interest you. Recent rumors suggest this series might skip the smallest model usually seen in the Tab S range. Display analyst Ross Young shared on X that production for the Galaxy Tabs 10 Plus and S10 Ultra will start in August, with a launch expected in October. He also clarified that there won't be a standard Galaxy Tab S10 model. Ross Young's update was intentional, as he hasn't seen any plans for the smallest model in the production of panels or tablets. This matches leaks from May, which only showed model numbers for the Plus and Ultra versions. Initially, it was thought that the small model might come later in development, but now it seems Samsung might not make it at all. If this happens, the Galaxy Tab series won't have an 11-inch option, and Samsung might focus on the larger 12.4 and 14.6-inch models instead. If Samsung keeps the same screen sizes as the S9, this change would be surprising, hinting that Samsung might save the 11-inch tablet for its cheaper series. This would make the Galaxy Tab S series more premium. Meanwhile, benchmark scores for the S10 Plus and S10 Ultra have come out, showing that their new Dimensity 9300 Plus chips might be better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Tipster Ice Universe says that all tablets in the 2024 Galaxy Tab lineup will use the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. This is a small upgrade from the standard Dimensity 9300 CPU introduced in May. This is surprising because previous Galaxy Tab models mostly used Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, except for the original Galaxy Tab S from 2014, which had a Samsung Exynos chip. Early benchmarks show that the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chip performs slightly better in some tests, though these tests might not fully represent real-world performance. The Geekbench report also indicates that the RAM will remain at 12 GB, like the Tab S9 series. However, a version of the Ultra model is expected to offer 16 GB of RAM, but this will likely be available only in certain regions and configurations. The Dimensity 9300 Plus is expected to perform better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and might be cheaper than Qualcomm's chip. This could give Samsung an advantage. What do you think about Samsung using the MediaTek chipset instead of Snapdragon? Let us know in the comments below. For more updates, check out our channel, and I'll see you next time.